Alright guys, so you probably saw some footage from yesterday. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it in the video. At the end I say that I don't need the slave, but it turns out I do. For some reason it felt perfect yesterday after I fixed a little boot on it. Right here, this little boot. But turns out that it needed more. It needs a new one. So I'll try to get the best angles I can. So as far as I know, from what I've seen in videos, is it's just 3 14mm bolts. Oh my goodness, that is, wow, that is on there. Alright, oh, I got a jack handle for this. Wow, there's one. There's two. And then the third, hold on, the hydraulic line, which that one, oh, there goes fluid. Okay. Probably would have helped if I knew that there's still pressure in the line because the pedal is stuck to the floor still. So, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm too deep in the past, so used to coming in last. Punk motherfucker come and step to my face, fuck you up, and I know that shit's about to change since I stepped in the game. On average gang is stuck somewhere ahead of their time. Fuck a fake friend, that's a need of my time. You can suck a dick for hating on my grind, but it's alright.
Today I'm going to be doing short shifter. Not because my car's fast, just because I feel like it. This one I got from eBay. I think I paid 25 bucks for it. It looks pretty good actually. So yeah, so right here you can see it's pretty fourth throw on all this. So let's go for a little drive. Actually no, let's just wait for the drive to be after.
Cruising in the night, yeah, you see them work wheels and they looking real nice. I don't do it for the likes, do it for the passion, nigga, and I've been about this life.
Alright guys, so it looks like I'm going to be finishing off this video on my phone because my camera died. So it was basically a pain in the butt to get it off. I thought I was going to break the cup that the ball goes into, but I didn't break it. I got it in. It feels super tight and super short now, which is what it's supposed to do. It feels great. Almost no play in there anymore. But yeah, I'm just finishing up putting these things on.
These bitches are looking to touch or looking to fuck because of my name. My son is straight dedication, we put it through fame. Cause I'm not like any other motherfucker that be telling my bitch.
Oh, that's a million times better. Oh yeah, that's great. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't recommend this as an educational video on how to install a short shifter, but that's how I did it. See you next time.